Children House Cadet.
मुझे सौंपे गए कर्तव्यों को बनाए रखने की प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ। मैं अपने स्कूल के शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं, छात्र छात्राओं और प्रधानाचार्य के साथ पूर्ण सहयोग रखूंगा। सभी के सम्मान व सकारात्मक भूमिका में उपस्थित रहूंगा। मैं इस जिम्मेदारी को गर्व और प्रतिबद्धता के साथ स्वीकार करती हूँ। मैं अपनी सर्वोत्तम क्षमता से अपने साथियों के हितों और चिंताओं का प्रतिनिधित्व करने की शपथ लेता हूँ। Now let's start with English. Your name. I pledge to uphold the duties assigned to me as a member of Student Council and School Council. I will cooperate fully with the teachers, students, and principal of my school, and will present myself with respect and in positive manner to all. I accept this responsibility with pride and commitment. I pledge to represent the interests and concerns of my peers to the best of my ability. Thank you.
Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. My name is Mishi Rajput, a class 12, and I would love to extend my warm greetings to our respected principal ma'am, all the esteemed teachers and the fellow students. Standing before you as the principal for this year, I am brimmed with an extreme feeling of delight and gratitude, as I would love to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for your constant trust and support. I feel deeply honored to have been provided with this prestigious position. I aim to bring my best to the table as I assure to maintain the dignity of this post and perform all the assigned duties to the best of my abilities. As you might remember, I mentioned in my candidature speech the other day that it would be my responsibility to provide you with the stage and yours to perform. So let's promise to stay true to those words as we embark on this journey together. My vision for this post revolves around an idea to create a nurturing environment so as to foster blooming talents. I think I would not be wrong to say that we all are novice at this stage of our life. It just marks the beginning of a big journey. And shying away from participating might close the door to many opportunities before they even open for us. And if I would have to list the name of things that stops us from taking that leap of faith or trying, I guess the fear of losing will be at the first place. And if that's the case for you too, then let me say, the feeling of losing at that moment stands nowhere near the regret of not trying. And I'm not just bluffing, as I can take my own example. I have participated in the English debate competition twice, and let alone winning, I didn't secure a rank. I'll be lying if I said that moment was not disheartening or I felt like giving up. But that experience gave me exposure. It built my confidence and made me whatsoever I stand here today. It highlighted the shortcomings I should be working on. I still am nowhere near perfect, but better than my past. I will say, whether be in the field of academics, extracurriculars, not just strive to be the best.
आपने मुझे स्कूल हेड बॉय के पद के लिए चुना। यह मेरे लिए एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी और सम्मान की बात है। मैं अपने शिक्षकों, माता पिता, प्रशासन और साथी विद्यार्थियों का विशेष रूप से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझ पर विश्वास किया। आपकी इस अपेक्षा और समर्थन के लिए मैं दिल से कृतज्ञ हूँ। मेरे लिए यह अवसर केवल पद नहीं है, बल्कि यह हमारे स्कूल कम्युनिटी को और बेहतर बनाने का एक मौका है। मैं आप सभी से यह वादा करता हूँ कि मैं पूरी मेहनत और ईमानदारी से अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का निर्वहन करूँगा और आपके सहयोग से स्कूल के विकास में अपना योगदान दूंगा। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हम सब मिलकर एक साथ काम करेंगे और हमारे स्कूल को नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
This was wonderful speech, very inspiring for each one of us. I believe that each one of us deserve to be where they are standing. Do you agree with it? Yes. Why few students? They will lead you and you will set a role model example before everyone. Our school is known for discipline, good culture, good behavior. Isn't it? Yes. So with this, I would request each one of you, those are selected as house, school council and house council, will perform with best of your ability. You will set an example before each one of us by your deeds. Head boy and head girl. Being head boy and head girl, you have the greatest responsibility to set an example before others. As our head girl said, that she participated twice in English debate competition. It was really difficult because these students all across they have come, but I believe that going there, participating, it doesn't matter we receive the or not, but the participation is very important. And keep trying. With this, I'll conclude my speech, and with this, I would like to thank all the teachers behind this grand success, the sports department, the vice principal of the school. This is wonderful conduction of English teacher ceremony. Thank you so much, sir. Under your leadership, today we are able to formulate our school and house council. Thank you everyone. We trusted you with the proper voting system. You have come to the system inside the school premise, and with lots of expectation that you will perform good, right? You'll be part of the school system, not only these team, they'll be leading and you will be setting good example before everyone.